Choco's super cool Lego car looks so adorable.
Come on!
The Lego car runs fast and looks so amazing.
Let's go!
Choco carefully follows the plan to assemble the car.
Let's go!
Come on!
After trying hard, Choco finally attached the wheel.
Okay. Woo!
Yay!
The Lego car fell apart again. So funny.
Come on! Yay!
Choco using tools to fix the car looks so cute. Welding the car parts together made it stronger. The car started slowly, which was hilarious.
Oh man! Come on!
Okay.
After running a bit, the car lost parts. So funny.
Come on!
Later.
Let's go!
Audience laughed non-stop at the falling apart car. Choco thinking of ways to fix it looks extremely cute.
Come on! Oh man!
Finally, Choco had to call mechanics for help.
Oh, please help me!
Hello.
Ooh. The repair team appeared, looking professional and fun.
please!
Okay. Woohoo!
Thank you so much. Bye.
Yay!
Woohoo!
Choco paying the monkey. Mechanics looked so hilarious. Choco woke up and immediately ran to the pool with a float. The little monkey swam happily in the colorful ball pool.
Yay!
Wow! Woohoo! Let's go!
Laughter filled the air when Choco slid down the float slide.
Come on! No! Holy moly!
Aha!
A few moments later.
Woohoo!
Choco added another colorful slide, making it even more fun.
Woohoo!
A little car ran down the slide, making the scene more exciting.
Come on! Holy moly!
Choco jumped into the pool from the slide, so playful.
Ooh.
Wow! Come on!
The moment Choco swam in the colorful pool was wonderful.
Let's go!
He splashed around in the cool water, so adorable.
Yay!
Come on! Huh?
What's this? Huh?
The monkey played with the float, filling the pool with laughter. That long, colorful slide made everyone love it.
Oh, man!
Choco is so busy, the phone keeps ringing nonstop.
To my house! Okay. Let's go!
Aha!
Here it is!
The little monkey quickly handles each order neatly.
Come on!
The delivery ride looks so cute and full of energy.
Let's go! Huh? Wow!
Come on! $20, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Let's go!
A few moments
Customers
later.
smile brightly when receiving their packages.
Oh, man! Hello?
I need a car delivery. My car's broken.
Okay.
Ooh.
Oh yeah!
Oh no, the little monkey delivered the wrong one.
Wow!
Holy moly!
What are you doing? What
Wait me! Come on!
He goes back to fix it, still cheerful and sweet.
Oh, man!
Let's go! Let's go!
The customer smiles again after getting the right order.
Hey, you!
Woohoo! I love it.
Thank you, thank you.
Bye-bye!
A tiny mistake, but such an adorable moment.
Come on!
Let's go!
Hello! Hey, you!
Rows of colorful balloons shine so beautifully.
Yay!
Woohoo!
Thank you, thank you.
Watch Watching the delivery scene just melts your heart.
Oh,
The deer chases the two little monkeys. So funny.
holy moly!
The big monkey quickly thinks to build a leaf house.
Yeah! Come on! Come on!
Okay.
They gather branches and leaves, working so sweetly.
Let's go.
Their tiny leafy home looks adorable and cozy.
Oh no!
At night, the two hide inside their cute little house.
Oh boy! Come on!
The deer still finds them. Such a tense and fun scene. Luckily, they escape thanks to their bright flashlight.
Let's go.
This time, the monkeys build a much stronger house. Two lights in front shine brightly, looking lovely. The deer sees the light and runs away right away.